Hey besties, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down another remote platform that hires people worldwide to complete online tasks, also known as micro tasks. In this video, I'm going to show you details about this platform and my personal experience so that you don't make the same mistake that I made. If you're looking for a flexible remote job, side hustle, or beginner-friendly online work, this video is for you. Before we dive in, hit the like button if you want more remote job opportunities like this. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss work from home opportunities, how to earn money online opportunities, and comment below, are you looking for full-time remote income or side money? Let's get into it. The platform is called Clickworker and is a German-based crowdsourcing company that connects businesses with remote workers who complete small digital tasks. It's not a traditional full-time job. It's a freelance, flexible, and task-based. You sign up as an independent contractor, you complete tasks and get paid per task. Think of it like short digital gigs. No interviews, no boss. You work whenever tasks are available. For the countries they accept, Clickworker is available in many countries worldwide, but task availability varies by region. But there are countries with more consistent tasks, such as the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, France, Spain, India, the Philippines, and South Africa. They operate globally, but workers in the US, UK, Canada, and parts of Europe will typically see more tasks than the rest of the world. Some countries may experience limited availability, so manage your expectations depending on where you live. Let's look at the interesting part, which is the payment method. Clickworker offers several payment options. Okay, main payment options here are PayPal, SEPA, bank transfers for European workers, and Payoneer in some regions, which is also available in countries like Nigeria. Minimum payout is usually around $10 via PayPal. Payments are typically processed weekly or bi-weekly, depending on task approval. Some tasks have a holding period before payment is released, and that's normal for quality control. Okay, let's look at types of tasks you can expect on Clickworker. Now, let's talk about the actual work. Data entry is there, categorizing products, tagging images, updating information, AI training tasks like labeling images, audio transcription, evaluating search engine results. Many higher paying tasks are available through their partnership with UHRS, which focuses on search engine evaluation and AI training. They also have surveys, market research, and consumer opinions. They have writing tasks, short articles, and editing content. They have app and website testing websites or apps, and giving usability feedback. Is this a real remote job? Let's be clear, guys. This is remote freelance work, not your traditional 9 to 5, not salaried remote. What you don't get is no guaranteed hours, no benefits, no fixed salary, no employment contract. You log in, you see what tasks are available, complete them, and get paid per task. If you need stable monthly income, this should not be your only source. But if you want flexible side income or entry-level remote experience, it can be useful. Okay, let me tell you some pros about Clickworker. It is flexible. You get to work at any time, no fixed shifts, you work at your own time. It is beginner friendly. You don't need advanced degree. It is global. It's available in many countries, so check and see if it's available in your own country. Weekly payments. It has a consistent payout system and no investment required. You don't pay money to join. Remember that legit platforms don't charge you to work, okay? And you're not supposed to pay money to even get any. Now, I won't tell you all this good stuff about Clickworker without telling you the cons. Number one is inconsistent work. Tasks are not always available. Low pay per task. Some tasks pay in cents and you need volume to earn decent money. But considering your location, it might be good for you, right? It is competitive because thousands of workers worldwide are on this platform. Account restrictions is real. If quality drops, access to tasks can be reduced. It is not full-time reliable. Income fluctuates monthly. If someone claims they make $5,000 a month easily from Clickworker alone, be skeptical. Now, let's look at the do's and don'ts, because if you get it wrong, you're banned for life. I've been there, okay? This part is critical. Let's first of all look at the do's. First of all, complete all assessment carefully. Yes. Maintain high accuracy. Check the platform daily for new tasks. Make sure you are active. Link your PayPal correctly or your Payoneer, whichever payment method you choose. Track your earnings. Quality determines access to better paying tasks. Don't ever try these things I'm going to mention now. Don't rush and submit poor quality work. Don't use multiple accounts. So let me tell you guys my story. I signed up to Clickworker a while ago. Then I forgot that I ever signed up. When I found out that Clickworker was actually paying, I signed up again using a different email. And along the line, I got an email telling me that my account has been suspended. And I was like, what did I do? How did this happen? I tried to find out. Although their support team is active, they will respond to you immediately. I've been going back and forth with them, and then I asked, why was my account suspended? They were like, you have 2 accounts and you have to send us proof of your address, like with either a letter, a physical letter, or a physical parcel you received in your current address, the address that is on that account, before they can let me continue working on Clickworker. And then I've been going back and forth with them. They are responding to me fine, but do not make that mistake of maybe you starting one account and then you're going into another account. Let me tell you, everything is linked, because you are going to use your real name to sign up, and then once you use another account to go in, your real name will pop up because it's going to match and you'll be suspended. Please do not make the same mistake I made, because I'm trying to correct that. Because guys, Clickworker is hiring. If you take it seriously, they are hiring. Okay, so whatever you do, avoid multiple accounts. Don't use multiple accounts. Don't use VPNs unless allowed. If it is available in your country, stay in your country and maintain it, because if a time comes for them to ask you to submit an ID, you will not be able to prove your location. You will not be able to get a physical address of your current, like if you claim you're in the UK, you will not be able to present a physical letter, a physical parcel with that address, printed on it to show them. So avoid VPN. Use your current location, the one you know you can prove if anything happens. Don't expect instant high income. Don't rely on it as your only financial plan. Treat it professionally, even if tasks seem small. Now, how much can you earn from Clickworker? Earnings vary based on location, time invested, access to UHRS, and skill level. Some users report earning $50 to $150 per month casually, and $200 to $500 per month with consistent effort and UHR access. This is not guaranteed income. It's volume-based micro work. If you're strategic and consistent, you can build steady side income, but it takes effort. Who should use Clickworker? It is suitable for students, stay-at-home parents, beginners in remote work, people in between jobs, and those wanting extra monthly cash. And it's not ideal for people needing stable full-time income or those who get frustrated with inconsistent work. So is Clickworker legit? Clickworker is a legitimate company operating since 2005. They pay workers, have millions of registered users, and work with major businesses for AI training and data tasks. However, legit doesn't always mean lucrative. It's real, but it's not a magic money machine. Okay, it is not a get rich quick scheme. So let me give you some smart strategy tip that will help you. Okay, if you're serious about remote income, don't rely on one platform. You can join my mentorship class where I show you lots of platforms to join. Okay, combine Clickworker with freelancing, skill development, and high-paying remote jobs. Micro tasks should be a stepping stone, not your end goal. Build skills while you earn. Like I said earlier, Clickworker is legit, flexible, and beginner-friendly, but it is also inconsistent. It is competitive and not a full-time income solution. So use it strategically, use it professionally, and use it as a stepping stone. If this breakdown helped you understand whether Clickworker is right for you, like this video, subscribe for more remote job reviews, and comment below, would you try Clickworker or have you signed up before? Remember, remote income is possible, but only if you treat it like real work. Don't forget that this video is for educational purposes only. Do your own research before applying to any job out there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.